So in the context of coronavirus, so the corona kind of stands for crown, and it's because the virus has this crown of what we call spike proteins. So it's important to know that piece. Now, our cells in our bodies have a receptor on our cells called ACE2 receptors. That's another type of protein on our cells. Now, unfortunately, the coronavirus uses the spike protein to lock onto these ACE2 receptors. And in a lock and key fashion, it opens up our cells, and then it can get into our cells and cause infection and then cause illness. So what vaccines do actually is they introduce instructions for our body to create copies of the spike protein that we put on our cells to then kind of trick our immune system into creating an immune response, to creating antibodies. These antibodies then latch onto that ACE2 receptor and actually prevent that spike protein from getting its its key in our lock. And so that's how the vaccines help protect us from the virus itself.
So you're saying that the COVID virus itself is not injected into our bodies, correct? Like the myth that goes around out there.
Exactly. And so what this makes, oftentimes when we do our education, we ask, and I'll ask you, if I show you a picture of, let's say, a handlebar, a wheel, and let's say chains, what might that make you think of?
A bike.
Right, a bike. Now, your mind recognizes that it's a bike, but with those three pieces, can you ride that bike?
No.
You can't. And so in the same way, a vaccine helps your body produce a copy of a piece of the vaccine, of the virus. But because it's just a piece, it's actually impossible for that vaccine to cause disease. Just like it would be impossible to ride that bike only with those three pieces. Yet you still recognize that it's a bike by looking at those three pieces. So in the same way, the immune system looks at that piece and recognizes it's something foreign, but it's impossible for that one piece to cause disease.